Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Caitlin here from Mecca Maxima. Want to see how I create this 24 karat gold look? Keep watching. I'm super excited that Too Faced has just dropped this new chocolate gold palette. Look at the amazing colors that it comes with. It's a lot brighter than we're used to for Too Faced, and I can't wait to get into it. So I've just done my base and eyebrows off camera using NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation and the Hourglass Arch Brow Eyebrow Pencil. To get started, I'm going to go in with the two matte shades first, so Boujee and Cocoa Truffle. So I'm starting off with the lighter shade first as a base. Now I'm going in with the darker shade to create extra definition. Now I'm just going to mix up my brushes for underneath the eye using a smudging brush to get more definition. Now when you're smudging underneath the eye, you just want to make sure that you're bringing it to join up to where we've got the crease here. Now I'm going to go in with Urban Decay brown eyeliner in Whiskey. I love this color for the waterline. It's not as harsh as a black and it helps to create that softer smoky look. And now for the fun stuff. I'm going to be using Famous in the outer corner of the eye for a bit of definition. And then going with chocolate gold all over the lid. There's literally no fallout. That is ridiculous. If you look at that shine. I'm just going to soften it through the crease a little bit with those matte colors I first started off with. Now for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using Gold Dipped. Opens everything up a little bit and adds more of a contrast. To add a little bit more glitz to the look, I'm going to be using the new Glitter Pop eyeliner from Too Faced. I'm just going to paint this over the inner third of my eye to add a bit of glitter. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite, the Still a Huge Extreme Lash. And now to add some more warmth to my face, I'm going to be going in with the new Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer from Too Faced. This is just as amazing as their best-selling Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, but this one has added gold. So shiny. Now for my highlight, I'm going to be using the famous Albatross from NARS. I know it may look white in the packaging, but it goes on a beautiful soft gold highlight. This is Too Faced Pure Gold Pigment. This you can use as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a highlight on your face, on your body, anywhere you like. I'm just going to add a little touch of this to my highlight because you can never have too much gold. Now I'm just going to add a little touch of this to my collarbones because who doesn't love a collarbone highlight? Now for the lips, I'm going to be using Smashbox Bee Legendary Lipstick in Audition. And now for the final touch, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Gold Lip Gloss. So this is a more wearable option for your everyday lip, but why not go all out and add more gold? The good thing about this one is that the more layers you put on it, the more intense the gold will be. So what do you think? This is my 24 karat gold look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Bye guys!